Honorable Dr. Henry Patna Kokofu. Incoming Secretary. Allah. Incoming Secretary. Secretary Bakube.
Former lady, Mrs. Asia Samira Bamayan, Chairman for Germany branch, New Patriotic Party, Members of Parliament, Madam Leader, my
yes, Ram did know why. Any dear one, we are just say your papa.
I want something regional women's organizer, and I'm a man. I know me, I go for party ground. Then I come virus. I'm a my birthday, I'm back home. Time women's leader, we invited me, organize program on the ground, and chairman for the toast. And I'm a kind of things I invite you to grab a baby. If it's a video in there, and what you say about Hamburg grant? Is that the fall? New Patriotic Party Chairman, as I say, era, Gamnaya Pano, and then Mr. Ford, 1993, New Patriotic Party, the true, German. Now, a founding member. Any time we are funding Patriotic Party who are in Germany, we will be one, let us say, one Casa, Ocasa, Sag. It's been a month of Papa, some of those are friends before to see if we can. Namokai said, this is so kind. Yama, I know I can eat now, and couple myself. Indeed, since January, I used to elections like Silly Papa. But China can be compared to I bet me up one. Now, the dear Italian today. A father and did breed, the dear little Pia, Junior, a single drop here ni maybe a bit here apart from unity. I don't think maybe also as I said here couple unity. Yeah, the maybe I come to now so the idea of actually in fear of the Drew baby, I said, I will be able to be a son and be a say. Now, see the idea with Yame, the catcher Yame song Cassa, the Pusan, and Penny Ampa, with Yamitsi and Cassa, years of friend, and the day before former president, when Yame Cassa, you couldn't hear by mine. Fast forward, boy, anyone could group people so be the lose election. Yaya 2008. Nana do that one. I say, you know, now what team were coming. Now, I know I see the thing here, bomber, try a music kinds. You dear Martin, Yampaba, Jelly, when you go to them, a sweet prayer rally. And my catcher rally said, the battle is the Lord's. I'm penny upon the mission when we now. You buy it, and then you hear me. You hear to see. Resume for a move. Resume for a move. Resume for a move. Kaka Jamabri. Kiani King, you ever call your papa to Abba. You may back. You may papa. You never come. And I won't come. So we shall unite, and in unity, victory will be ours. Obiam an argument. Obiam through. If he said, I have been paid. Yama dip, Manay, Yaman and after that, for the money. You pay you know as our next flag bearer. You pay Yaman. Whoever emerges as our leader, as the flag bearer, we shall be happy. A very star. We are bread. The Becca saw him down no master. The master papa, the Yanusa, the Cameroon began by the master. The meaning said, the beginning of the unity new patriotic party has begun in Germany. Duisburg, aha, and I shall see it. And the Becca Ghana. We are here for another year. You better come near unite as a people. When I'm coming now.
First lady and then of the self-formation. Many are one wooden armor. Some of this armor. Better must say. Neighbor, and we say, na o could there were Germany. And I'm going to say, me call NPP Unity Rally, Germany. Any power we some question for NPP. I know we say, na more Ghana. Maka mo bom awie na mo ko Germany na mo ye parliamentarian na adwuma ben na mo parliamentarian mo ye edi aboa party no ama party no aba power na utimi answer sa question bi ya na fe no ko Germany. What is the catch show? You so any na party no emra power. What is the catch show? I was your for say 2028. You bet me about power. External branches of our party. I will dream it here also. Yenia, you work on. You also will dream. I will say it. Now the parliamentary party is so. I will Juma, I will say, what I don't see a car, son of a catcher, said, Minimum, and the Abua party. Now, I'm not a person, and then, we don't watch it. Now, we are, my kind also so what they are, Mobile, Ama party, no, it's me about power. Then, he said, a brother who's election 2024, you said, now, Golibaca said, NDC goodwill, now was so bad. Now, I'm not for you to be actually saying they will sue election mainly from Parliament. April 2021, the core Parliament now a year 137. And you probably say a hope and the chance said they will sue 2024 election. And to a large extent, I agree. If you say at any point in their party, in a swarm, our parliament. And you see, in this last parliament, the 88th Infantry Battalion, and you say, yea, and I yet to our party, our parliament. You will dream it, I was here that we have a party, our power. I'm saying, what they said. Remember what you said there, parliamentary party, and your party. Now, we opposition party. What the other said, the abandoned member now to alternative policies. And now, sir, would you be overhead that the end one pointing out? Hello, and it is so sharp. Yes, that's it, Yes, that's it. Parliamentary work, the first a veteran of the ministers. Veteran of the force, and what do you need to do? We said, he exposed the NDC and their leadership for who they are. And you treat a veteran, let them know who said, we said, what $1 million home. Or say, or it's about the other said, Sabran, Cassano, Cassandra, they are called. And a true veteran, and the man who said, British God will be a normal position for 8 years. Not every month, we are of life for UK, no Busiano, the Busan, Senator, and a sponsor. And they will say, NBC for and not a grand worker, who we are home for. This was done by the parliamentary party in Parliament. The real veteran, there was some the State of the Nation address by a president at the State of the Nation address by we interrogated it. In his own State of the Nation address, he admitted that the law to buy a fish, not the GDP growth of the country, not 5.7. President Mahama, or only projection, not less than 4%. And it is throughout his State of the Nation address, he admits the MPP, we expose this. And my grandfather said, MPP, yourself, and son of you. And it is the parliamentary party is working. It also suggests now parliamentary party, or who is the budget throughout the budget, the plenty budget, everyone will say, the economic stuff no more come. Yeah, Papa, we debated the budget. Finance Minister, a debate here, we can know every debate on one scene. Papa, not ever, as a papa, catch a set by your land. Now, you are here, you watch a kid landing. Now, companies are indeed. This is your finance minister. Holds in his CV, reported this out to the people of Ghana. The parliamentary party is working. What are you doing? Throughout the process, it was said a better than Ghana first of all, but bank and what bank Ghana? The minimum capital is 400 million. Sikasa na about the amount 50 million. And it's the amount Ghana for we say, you are from Mama, or better Ghana for, or you register for bank and 1 million. The parliamentary party exposed this. The parliamentary party also exposed the NDC, their hypocrisy on the fight against Ghana State. When you get the Ghana for say, people Ghana State, not your bar, or very soon the Ghana State, that was parliamentary party adwuma yɛ na mu sɛ NDC president President John Mahama ɔne na pamfo wɔn na ɛyɛ galamsey no ɛsɛ ɔman no ɛne sɛ yɛbɛhyɛ ase akasa because they had a lot of goodwill and now adwuma parliamentary party no ɛyɛ nti their goodwill is in a way one day after the other their so-called strength and the struggle the parliamentary party is doing this work and it's here now way abusuafo party na wɔn ya adwuma a wɔsɛ wɔyɛ and it's been there the prayer video ba akakyerɛ me sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ bɛka meeting wɔ ade ati ama me gye sɛ bɛba no sɛ mene mo bɛdi nkɔmmɔ na mo nso ma mo adwuma a mobɛdi ama party na aba power because for those of us in parliament we are doing our best and PLC you saw the way we fought against the removal of the Chief Justice. Now said, yes, democracy and my own constitution. So now the Chief Justice, we are fighting them on everything. Now you will. Now you want to put you see a feeling your papa, you don't know who said, or who is going to do. They associate said, and you know about Ajaba Professor for you with so much power, the external branches of our party, so much power. Who fear, who makes me convince you fear for what I said, who come to Abba and who to Abba and my NPP. If you say, what, oh, my control, who find you no pop, who might let you know, so you put a lot of power. So the parliamentary party, we are doing our work. Then you also have a lot of work to do. And it's better to say, we influence them, and Kaya, one shall say, one shall say, and so much more fast, and one more say, and Pedro said, and the MPP back there. Because for some of us, and Judy said, say, oh my God, the way here, there's the MPP. As the MPP waiting to swap power, or see a trap at the leader. The leader, silent and listening, and you're running behind that person. Now, you would be a war, especially the leadership of the party. Get you to cry, and to move, and a chassis. The best sermon. Get me a nigga of 40 feet of the you said he had said Japanese decision. We are MP, what binding power? We have your power constituency. MC, your home, not so what your people is. I did be a person will be on one. Ukofia, or Mr. For a young one. Your constituency, the bar power, the constitution, may be different president or four, and Ashi, and she be also this company of how do we get all of this money? It's yet to go yet prepare. Yes, Mama, say unity right here. I shall say, I will do so fit of him. Enu Bremen, Enu Hamburg, Enu Frankfurt, Enu Munich, Enu Brussels, Enu Netherlands, Enu UK. I'll go over the Atlantic, Enu US, Enu Canada. Let's go all over the world. Let's preach unity. Because that is the only way we can bring our party back to power. The parliamentary party is doing our work. How about you? But I must say, Yamisha.
Yo, you got to